Okay, we have every single wire hooked up now. It's very key. Cap any ends, and then put our cover back on the chase. Boom. That's a wired PLC. Close our covers, module covers. Oh, so many things can get in the way. Oh, come on. Okay. So it's very good, very important to keep everything very neat. You don't want to pinch any wires. Damn it, I did. The neater you keep your PLC, if anything happens, the easier it is to play around and chase it and try to figure out what's going wrong. You may get a mess. Oh, I gotta just did here. Shouldn't grow something like that. Okay. That's all we do. Networking cable goes here, plugs in, runs around. That's all of our wires, and then we gotta ferrule all these. Lights are on a daisy chain. I'll throw some ferrules on these bad boys, get the props on the walls, and then we'll be in an Aztec temple.